Hi guys. Okay, I am I'm using just Fizzy Fairies mold, and it's for my Valentine bath bomb. And let's get this packed. So basically, I'm showing you how to use this mold, just Fizzy Fairy mold, or just Fairy Fizzy mold. I have my mixture here, and let's pack this up. It smells delicious. This fragrance is very I would say this fragrance is very strong. I don't think I put enough oil in here. Okay guys, so a few things happened here. This was the first packing of the bath bomb, and yeah, it was too dry. My mix was so dry, and I didn't pack it standing up. I have to stand up to pack this mold. And basically, I'm just gonna crush this all up, add some more coconut oil to this, and I will probably make some round bombs with it. We shall see. So. This is Penny. This is Daisy, and this is Penny Loop. Penny Loop and Daisy are very good friends to the end.